Welcome to Backwards News. Rants you can trust. Warning, this is a rant channel. All persons in this video are real and the events are factual. Satirical speech may be used to comment and criticize on subjects. Hello. Welcome to Al's Backwards News, where all the stories are backwards. I'm in beautiful Metro Detroit, and we're backwards. I'm losing my mind. The word for the day is zero accountability. That's the word for today. Michigan is going crazy. It's backwards. This is about my third story where people put in a lawsuit and the judge shut the lawsuit down. The judge. We had a flood in June 2021. It rained. We had a monsoon. Detroit Water Department, which is now called Great Lakes Water Authority. Great Lakes Water Authority. The pumps broke. 2 or 3 expressways turned into rivers. Everybody's basement filled up with water, between 3 and 8 feet of water. Streets were flooded. People was in their kayak going down the street. Talking about this is fun. It's water world. We put in a lawsuit. Great Lakes Water Authority said, I don't give a damn and I don't give a fuck. They argued and argued and argued. Then finally, FEMA came in and said, okay, we'll give you a couple dollars. We'll give you a couple dollars. We don't want nobody killed up in here. Then FEMA messed up. Depending on your zip code, if you black or white, depending on how much money you got. I think it was $2,500 to $5,000, $6,000 they gave people. And people was complaining. They said, you gonna give me like $5,000, $6,000? Oh, that'll pay for the pool table. Now, but what else can I fix with that? I had fucking Chuck E. Cheese in my basement and it was 8 feet underwater. Everything was destroyed. They said, well, that's all we're gonna give you. So we had a group of, I think, around 600 to 1,000 people. They said, Great Lakes Water Authority, I will see you in court. The lawsuit is in. It's been a year and a half. They will not say the judge's name. They gave that fool some golf clubs or something. I don't know what they did. They got down to court. The judge said, their equipment failed, and that's just what you get. We don't give a damn and we don't give a fuck. They have governmental immunity. Where is my card? I done lost my card. I had it over here. Here you go. I found my card. Governmental immunity. They said we ain't paying nothing. You just go in the basement And if you ain't fixed that motherfucking basement by now, I don't give a damn. Go down there, that's your new hot tub. When they had the flood, people was putting on scuba gear, going to their basement. Go get my grandmama ashes. Go get it. I'm looking for it. I'm looking for it. So it's over. It's over. It's done. We trending. Michigan is trending. The new thing is in Michigan, zero accountability. They stopping all the lawsuits. The only way to get a lawsuit, you got to threaten to burn the city down. Then they'll say, okay, here go a couple dollars, here go a couple dollars. So that's the new word. Every time somebody mess up, they say, it does not matter. I don't care. It's not my fault. I have zero accountability. I got a card. So we got 3 or 4 lawsuits. Well, they say the government, they say, I do not care about your kids in Oxford. I don't care about your basement. I just don't care. Just pay me my money and get out of my face. So I will see you on the next Backwards News. You better get one of these cards.